Trump visa restriction and family-based immigration. Get the facts.
Hello, greetings. I am lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, let us look at how the recent Trump administration suspension of visas or pause on visas will affect family-based immigration. Recently, January 2026, the Trump administration issued this executive order suspending visas for about 75 countries. Now, this will take effect on the 26th of January this year, 2026. How will this affect specifically family-based immigration? Now, family-based immigration includes or generally are petitions that are filed by U.S. citizens or permanent residents for their spouses, parents, or children. Now, it could be immediate relatives or it may not be. However, the important point here is how will this visa suspension affect any petition that has been filed? First of all, the suspension affects only visas from abroad, consular processing. In other words, petitions that have been filed in the United States for beneficiaries who are coming from abroad through the U.S. consulates and embassies. So that is the first point. Secondly, petitions that have been approved already but are in process are going to be seriously affected because these visas have not been issued from abroad and the beneficiaries are still waiting for those visas. So those visas will be suspended. And of course, no consular processing will begin here for petitions that have been filed and have been approved and are still at the State Department National Visa Center here in the United States. Interestingly, this pause will not affect adjustment of status in the United States. So petitions that have been filed and approved concurrently with adjustment of status will go through. So these beneficiaries will still be able to adjust their status in the United States. At least that is what we can tell as of now from this. And also this visa pause does not stop beneficiaries from filing their petitions. I-130 petitions can still be filed by the spouse, child, or parent for their beneficiaries. It also does not stop processing of those petitions at the service centers. So this is very important. So the key here is to understand that this particular pause, as far as family-based immigration is concerned, affects consular processing and not visas in the United States. Yes, it does not affect green card holders. And these are important things to keep in mind, but it's more important for you to stay in contact with your attorney and to understand how things are changing vis-a-vis this pause. If you need an attorney, if you don't have one, please call us. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And do not fear the system, understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.